Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn about exporting your orders as a CSV file in your Dakis Unified Commerce solution. One of the most powerful tools in mydakis is the ability to export your data as CSV files. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's essentially a way to pull your info out of the system and into a spreadsheet, giving you a custom report tailored to what you need. In mydakis, you can export data from 4 places: your hardware products, your orders, your customer profiles, and your payments. In this video, we're focusing on exporting orders. You can use this feature to put together sales reports, reconcile transactions, or keep a record of your order history. Of the CSV exports available, it's probably the one you'll use the most often. Before we dive in, to export CSV files, we need to be logged into our mydakis account as either a buyer, admin, or owner. Only these roles have access to the task history page where your compiled CSV files are downloaded. Alright, let's get started looking at how to export your orders to CSV. Here we are on the home page of our mydakis account. In the left-hand menu, we can see an icon of a shopping cart labeled Orders. Let's click that now. This will open up the Orders drop-down menu. Let's click the All Orders option from that list. This will open up the All Orders page. At the top of the All Orders page, we can see the search bar. Underneath that is the Filter Selection panel, which has the label text, Show All Orders Where. Without applying filters, exporting the CSV now would export all your orders. That's totally fine if that's what you want, but if you only need a specific range of orders, we need to narrow things down. That's where filters come in. The 2 most important filters to think about first are order status and payment status. Order status lets you filter by things like new or completed orders, and payment status lets you filter by things like captured payments or refunded transactions. You can also filter by date range, order type, channel type, payment methods, shopping modes, stores, social lists, photo kiosk licenses, and printing order status. That will give you a lot of flexibility to build exactly the kind of report you need. Once our filters are set and our order list looks just right, we'll click the Export to CSV button. After clicking Export, you'll be automatically taken to the task history page. You'll see a status indicator letting you know your export is in progress. Once it's done, a success notice will appear. Now we can just click the download arrow next to that task to save your CSV file right to your computer. Your orders export file is essentially a fully customizable transaction report for your business. You can use it to track sales activity across every channel, both in-store and online, all in one place. So to recap, exporting your orders is a quick 4-step process. Head to your orders page, set your filters to capture exactly the data you need, click Export to CSV, and download your completed file from task history. It's one of the fastest ways to get a clear picture of your sales activity. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.